Have you ever wondered what happens during an electrical overload? Let's visualize this in just 10 seconds. Imagine a modern house filled with appliances. An air conditioner starts. Next, the electric heater powers on. Suddenly, the washing machine joins in. The microwave beeps to life. All at once, these devices draw massive power. Zoom in on the electrical wires. Watch as they heat up, glowing a bright red. Finally, hear the loud click of the circuit breaker. Power is cut, securing the home. Are you aware of how much stress your electrical circuit can handle? Today, we'll explore the difference between a normal load and an overload. On the left, we see a normal electrical circuit. It powers a few appliances efficiently. Notice the labels: normal load, and the devices running smoothly. This balance keeps everything safe and functional. Now, let's shift to the right side. Here, we have an overloaded circuit. Too many devices are connected, causing overheating and smoke. The label, overload, highlights this danger clearly. This visual contrast shows the importance of managing your appliances. If you overload your circuit, you can increase fire risks. Remember, a normal load keeps your home safe and secure. An overloaded circuit can lead to disastrous consequences. Always check how many devices you connect. Have you ever wondered what happens during an electrical overload? It's an important topic for every homeowner. Electricity powers our homes. But too much demand can create dangerous situations. Imagine your home's electrical panel. It's the heart of your electricity management. When too many appliances run at once, the current meter rises. As the meter climbs above safe limits, danger lurks. The miniature circuit breaker senses this increase. To protect your wiring and appliances, it automatically switches off. This action prevents potential damage or fire. You may see sparks or warning icons appear. These signals indicate a serious issue needing attention. Regularly check your electrical panel. Ensure it can handle your appliance's demands to avoid overload. In summary, electrical overloads are serious. Understanding them safeguards your home and your safety. If you suspect issues, call a licensed electrician. Imagine a normal wall. Inside it, electrical wires carry power. But what happens when they become overloaded? As current flows, wires heat up. They change from blue to bright red. This bright red shows danger, overheating. A thermal camera view enhances this effect. It highlights temperatures rising beyond safe levels. This animation serves a vital warning. Overheating can lead to fires or electrical failures. Check your home wiring regularly. Stay safe and ensure your electrical system is sound. Have you ever wondered about electrical overload? It's a hidden danger in our homes. When multiple appliances connect to one outlet, issues can arise. Using a power strip might feel convenient. But too many devices draw excessive power. This overload causes overheating in the outlet. Heat builds up and could spark a fire. A warning symbol appears, showcasing the risk. How can we prevent this? Simply reduce the number of devices plugged in. Use separate outlets for heavy appliances. This ensures safe power distribution. Imagine a bustling factory filled with machinery. At the heart of this operation is a large electric motor. This motor supplies power to various production lines. But what happens when it becomes overloaded? As the demand increases, the motor starts drawing excessive current. Suddenly, the current value spikes on the display. It reaches a critical level, depicted by bold red indicators. Now, let's visualize the consequences. The motor begins to heat up, emitting warning signals. Indicators flash, alerting operators to the risk. Quickly, the protective relay activates, shutting down the motor. This is a crucial response to prevent damage. In summary, an overloaded electric motor draws too much current. It heats up, triggering safety measures like the protection relay. Ever thought about your home's wiring system? It's critical. Electrical overload can be dangerous. It's a major fire risk. Let's dive into how this happens. Imagine multiple appliances plugged into one circuit. This increases the load. As appliances draw power, wires heat up. Over time, they can't handle it. Suddenly, smoke starts to appear. This is a warning sign. If the overload continues, sparks fly. A small fire ignites fast. Fortunately, your circuit breaker activates. It shuts down the system. Now, let's visualize a scenario. You're using a toaster, a microwave, and a space heater. All three are running on one circuit. The circuit can't handle that much power. Wires heat up, smoke billows from the outlet. Then, sparks erupt, igniting nearby materials. Without the breaker, this could lead to a catastrophic fire. To recap, overload leads to overheating. Overheating causes smoke and sparks. Lastly, this can ignite a fire before the breaker saves the day.